looking at Alkanol homologous series, the members of Alkanol family. Alkanol has the general molecular formula of ROH. And don't forget what R is. R is an alkyl group. Alkyl group, which is gotten from alkane by eliminating one hydrogen atom. That is to say that alkane CnH2Na plus 1 OH. This is the general molecular formula of alkanol. The functional group present in alkanol is simply OH. OH is the functional group present in alkanol. Any compound you see OH, that is hydroxyl group, it is telling you something about alkanol. For instance, if you want to get the first member of alkanol, always put n equal to 1, of which you know the way we solved other ones. If n equals to 1 now, N1H 2 times 1 plus 1 OH. So it becomes CH, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. CH3OH. And this is the first member of alkanol called methanol. Methanol. Don't forget the naming. You remove the E ending of alkane and put your OL. Alkanol is named by replacing the E ending of alkane with OL. Now, we are going to look at the three classes of or kinds of alkanol, of which we have primary alkanol, we have secondary alkanol, and we have tertiary alkanol. Primary alkanol is simply represented thus. If you want a little structure I have put on the board, this carbon that is carrying the OH is what we call carbonyl carbon. If you watch it very clearly, it has two hydrogen attached to it. Let me say it again. The carbon carrying the functional group is attached to two hydrogen and also an alkyl group. So this is example of a primary alkanol. Primary alkanol or primary alcohol. Don't forget the old name of alkanol is alcohol. It's primary alkanol. Now, when you have something like this, check this one. You see the carbonyl carbon, the carbon that is carrying the functional group, has only one hydrogen attached to it. That is what we call secondary alkanol, always represented by two knots, secondary alkanol. And now, when you have something like this, when there is no hydrogen attached to the carbon that carries the OH, you now have tertiary alkanol. You have tertiary alkanol. Now we will see how to use IUPAC to name all these compounds. How to use IUPAC to name all these compounds.